Hey, Sam.
There we go.
Hey, yo.
Hey,
Let's ask him.
Hey, are you single?
I am actually.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm in Provo, so I'm kind of far.
Never mind.
Sounds really cool, too.
Never
I'll be in
mind.
Salt Lake tomorrow.
She'll be in Salt Lake tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I'm moving to Salt Lake eventually.
Do you want like a makeup buddy or like a?
Where are you right now?
What do you say, Sam? Oh shoot, this is live.
Oh yeah, it is. That's okay.
I
They won't
mean,
watch it.
we don't do that here at BYUI because we are
Good kids.
wholesome students.
Good
Stop
wholesome
it, Sam.
learners.
Stop it.
My mom says that she gets the discount in Costa Rica and the Bahamas if it's available. So I'll ask her if she can look up in
Yeah.
July
Can
or
you just
August.
see which one's cheaper? Like when you go back,
Yeah.
which one's cheaper, and then. Okay, sweet. How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. How are you?
We're good. So good. Good to see you.
You too. So have you been going back and getting ready for the test?
Yeah, I reviewed 2 chapters already.
Oh, cool. Okay, so I don't really have any questions about the individual preparation. So
I don't have it. It's all pretty forward to me. So we're good on that, I think.
yeah. So I just opened up the quiz.
That's
Are you on campus right now?
yes, I am actually at my apartment, like outside my apartment.
Oh,
Well, kind of
you have
outside.
a party going on inside like usual?
What do you mean like usual?
You always have parties, don't you?
Do we?
Yes.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah, you told me that.
Okay, I guess that's true. What is the other one? Sorry, this is like, oh, there it is. Gave me trouble. There's the other one. Costa Rica is?
It's like 30 bucks.
It's not that bad, but it just depends what your mom would get the best. Come on. Okay, what's up with this? So, give me 1 second, Sam.
We can go to Europe, but then it's or do you want to go to
We can go either. Okay, let's. Are you in it yet?
Yeah, so I just got number 3.
Okay, I'm in it right now, and I'm good. Okay.
So 1, 2, or 1 and 2 are true, obviously, and then
Yeah, 1 and 2 are
true, I
true.
think. What do you think?
In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null hypothesis when there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the other. We reject the null hypothesis when there's sufficient. Yes, that's true.
Or, well, HO, that's not.
null.
Oh, that is the null. Right. Sorry. Okay. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis check?
Okay.
The data are normally distributed in each group. And then the variances are equal for each group. So B and C.
Yeah, B and C.
We
Yes.
check the data normally distributed by creating a QQ plot for each group separately.
Wait, what number are you on? I'm sorry.
I'm on 5 now.
I am 5.
You think that's right? Construct a QQ plot?
Construct a QQ plot for each group. So checked. Yeah. Yep. 6, we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. The sample variance for each group is smaller than the sample mean. No. The largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. I think, yeah. Largest sample means less than 2 times each group. No, yeah, the largest variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance.
That's the right one, you think?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
it says we assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Okay. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? So 4 samples would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2,
Isn't there?
6. That'd be 6. Because it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4.
6? That's the right answer, you think?
6, yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. The soccer shoes data has 6 groups, A, B, C, D, E, socks. These data can be found in the wiki. Load all 6 samples into the quantitative procedures. Observe that the p-value is 0.0809. Okay, so we need the files for it. Hey guys.
Hi.
Oh, oops, I got the Excel one. Did you get her email about how we're not allowed to use Excel, apparently?
We're not allowed to Excel?
Yes, we're not. You know how we've been doing some in Excel and some in SPSS?
Yeah.
She said we're not allowed to use Excel.
At all?
Well, from what I understand, it's because she said on the test there's going to be some that can only be used for SPSS, but I don't know about that.
Oh, okay. That's lame.
Okay, I'm loading the data now.
I love the Galapagos, but that's expensive as heck. I've been there once. What? Okay, so let me get that. Do you have that file yet?
Yeah, I just downloaded it.
Okay. The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included. Yeah, the Galapagos Islands are expensive. Oh, Peru. Really? The Galapagos would be so much more expensive.
Yeah, that's me. Sorry. I'm kind of popular.
I know this guy.
So popular.
He's a lady killer, by the way.
But yeah, he doesn't to meet up with me in Salt Lake?
Yeah, you hear that sound?
What?
See, I told you he's a lady killer.
He's ignoring it.
Okay, sorry. This is gonna be
Click on it.
on the recording.
It is, yeah, it's recording. So don't say anything too racy. Not like we would anyway. We're super good students.
Not like we would.
Why is this saved?
Because we have to post it on the thing.
Oh, that's awkward.
Okay. Kind of, a little bit, not really.
My teacher doesn't know who I am.
The p-value always goes up when only one group is removed. P-value. No. Let's go somewhere where there's like beaches, like warm water. We can go. I want to go diving too. That's the thing. I want to see like sharks and turtles. Hey man. P-values. Test. Present p-value. Find the p-value compared with other levels of significance. The largest variance is not 4 times the smallest. Okay, so p-values. Yeah. So why are you doing that? Number 9, the p-value always goes up when only one group's removed compared to. That's false.
Okay. Okay, so it looks like for number 8, the p-value is 0.309.
Sweet.
And then for 10, it's 0.448.
0.448. Sweet. When all 6 samples are used, what's the minimum and the maximum variance?
A, B, C, D, E. How is there? That's only 5 groups. Oh, and then socks. I see.
Minimum and maximum variance. Two. All 6 samples. Okay, all right. So the So the minimum variance is 5.216.
Okay.
The maximum variance is 7.291.
Okay. The test for equal variances is satisfied for these data. Yes, true.
Yes. Construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples. Each of the samples is approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plot. Okay, so to construct.
Well, it would be normally approximately normal because if the test is satisfied, it would be. So we don't.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So true, we have to construct a QQ plot. Okay, the test statistics.
What do you think about the last one?
F distribution. Here is a brief summary of the characteristic of F distribution. The p-value for ANOVA test is in the right tail. We will never divide the area in the tail, so it's the right. Last
Okay.
one. Okay, that's everything, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'll submit it.
Oh, I got an 82.
What did we get wrong?
Did you get an 82 as well?
No, I'm at 88. You got the smallest variance and the largest variance wrong. Why is that? Let me try that again. What? We can't redo it now, but
Yeah, that stinks.
wait, give me a second.
Oh wow, these group meetings are like 0% of the grade anyway.
You what?
The group meetings are like 0.5% of the grade, maybe.
0.5%?
Well, yeah. So, because all these are the group collaboration and then the group things. So this, well, I just looked because I got an 82 and it brought my grade down by like 0.05%.
Oh.
So like, I'm not that upset about getting a B on this homework. The homework is worth more.
Oh, sorry. I looked up. It was I did it wrong. My bad. Totally my bad. For the two that we got wrong, it was I thought it was the variance, but it was the